Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing an action pose with a lot of foreshortening, and basically it's an action stance, a battle ready stance, and we will start by putting together the frame. So shoulder set, arm, so I guess slightly bigger arm right there, and considerably smaller looking arm here. Now this, we are looking at it from a certain angle that we're going that way, but also from slightly from the top. So there's foreshortening routine going on in two different angles. So let's do a curve right at the back there for as a guideline for the torso. Just stop short right there and go like that. So if you do the coils and come up, it'll be somewhat like that. That's the lower part of the torso. And then we have this bigger leg coming here, and the smaller leg pretty much vanishing somewhere there, and we will touch upon that in a second. But right now we need to get the body work done on this guy. So it's not really a punching pose as much as just showing that arm. So you could do coils again, but you could just work right around the framework that I put down here, that we put down. So there is the hand showing in that manner. We have ourselves that arm, foreshortened arm going right back there. Chest area, that is the ab structure going right down and going pretty much into the groin, into the belt. And then we have a leg coming up right there. And the other leg, as I had said, there's a lot of foreshortening going on there. You could just go like that, and that is the pose pretty much done. Now as for the head, you could do two or three different, well actually two different things with it. One is, which is more natural in this case, looking up meaning that the eyes are placed that way. This is a very, very customary pose, very popular. And of course you'll put all the elements together accordingly. Or you could also play around with it. Play around as in that even the placement of the arm can vary. Now you could take that arm right back just like that other one. Show like a really, but then of course you'll play around with the torso and close it off there. And you could also place the head looking that way, like so, eyes, nose, mouth pointing a bit straighter. You could even have it like looking this way. You could even place this arm like that. So all just popular like comics, battle ready stances. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please do let us have your comments and do subscribe. Keep in touch. We will appreciate it very much. Have yourself a wonderful day.